Hi guys, it's Dean from Detailers Guild. And as you can tell, I've got my cup of coffee in hand because I'm going to be working on a very special project today and tomorrow. This Camaro belongs to a good friend of mine. We've known each other for about 25 years. And I know how much Mike loves his car. So just like I do with all my other customers, all right, Mike and I had a 45-minute conversation about how we're going to service the vehicle. So what I told him was he had concerns about the contamination that's on it because the paint's very, very rough and he's got a lot of surface scratches on it. Now the surface scratches are minor. Most of them are from washing the vehicle, okay, and regular maintenance and driving it, normal things. All right, so what I explained to Mike was I'm going to go over the entire vehicle with a clay mitt, all right, and I'm going to remove all the contaminants off. It is pretty rough to touch, so we're going to go right to the mechanical decontamination and clay it. Now I told him after I'm done that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash this down with clean slate, and then I'm going to wipe it down with alcohol. We are going to put 5-year ceramic coating on this vehicle, okay? And after 6 weeks, Mike is going to maintain this himself. So what he's going to do is we talked about the different options, and he decided that he's going to go with a ceramic infused wax that'll bond to the coating, and that way there he can maintain it, because once the water stops beating, he knows that the wax is no longer doing what it's supposed to do. Time to recoat it. So it simplifies it a lot for him. And Mike does like to work on his own vehicle, and I'm okay with that. But the point of this whole video was, if you spend the time and talk to your customer and go through the different options and you're honest with them, it saves you a lot of grief in the end, because if you give the customer what they want, chances are they're going to be a lot happier. All right? So if you walk them through and say, I'm going to use this cleaner, I'm going to use this soap, I'm going to use a clay mitt, I'm going to use Iron X, I'm going to use whatever you're going to do, whatever steps you're taking to their car, you should walk them through it. That way they know what to expect when they pick the vehicle up. Most of my customers come here and they're ecstatic. They're thrilled because I've done exactly what they said. And in the real world, usually you don't get that. You get a lot of hype, and then the guy comes and he's disappointed, the girl comes and they're disappointed because you go and you oversell. I don't do that. You know, what I do is I tell them exactly what I'm going to do. I tell them, look, I can't get out 100% of the scratches because all we're going to deal with here is a top layer clear coat, which is not a lie. This is a virgin paint job. The clay mitt itself, okay, you'd have to be pretty aggressive to get into the other layers of clear. So we are going to be dealing with the top layer of clear. I'm only going to clay this vehicle until it's smooth, and then I'm going to polish it back from that point, removing all the marks from it being clay. All right, I just thought I would share that with you guys, and hopefully this helps you with your conversations you have with your customers, and it'll keep your ratings up, and you'll find that you'll have a better relationship with the customer. The more conversations you have with them, the more they get to know you, and the more they're going to trust you and want to come back. All right, so thank you for watching. Talk to you later.